Hello again, welcome back. In this video we're going to be doing a tour of the King's Avenue Mall in Paphos. I believe it's the biggest shopping centre in Paphos. It's quite big, over about 2 or 3 floors. So pretty much something for everyone. A lot of high-end boutiques and cafés and stuff. Pretty much your standard shopping mall really. So we're going to start off outside the mall and have a little tour all the way through it. So this is the entrance to it here, King's Avenue there. I think there's 2 entrances, you can get in round the back as well I believe, but we're going to be going through the front entrance. Now this is a follow-up to the video I done previously, walking from the old town down to King's Mall. It's about a 20-minute walk, or just about a mile, 1.4 kilometres, so not too far. You can also get a bus I believe right the way down there, but it's probably worth just walking it really. Get some exercise in while you're on your holiday. Now there's quite a lot of branded shops, some of them I've heard of and a lot of them I haven't, but then again I don't know that much about different high-end brands and so on. So you've got a Kelly's, Jack and Jones, I've heard of some of these. Crocodile over there. So we're just going to go up onto the next floor now and have a look around. The Chill Box, I've heard of that one. Burger King, definitely heard of that one. That's a JD Sport, so there you go, that one's well known. And a Cineplex. Obviously no shopping mall would be complete without a Cineplex or a cinema of some sort. Now I don't think there's a bowling alley, a lot of them do have these, I know they do back home. I don't think there's one here, I didn't notice it. There's a shoe shop there, shoe shop. Now I'm not sure when it was built, but it looks fairly new, I have to say. It's not the biggest one, but it's a fair size, like I say, over 2 floors. There may be bigger ones in Limassol or some of the other towns in Cyprus, I'm not sure, but this is the one we normally come to when we come here. Tiger, I've heard of that one as well. Intersport, is that the same as Sports Direct? It's got the same branding, the red and the blue there. There you go, the body shop. So it has got quite a lot of UK shops here, as you can see. And then also a lot of them I've never heard of. I suppose a lot of more exclusive to Cyprus or even Greece that we don't get back home. Oh, she's trying to attract us over, that lady there, trying to sell us something. I've actually cut that part of the video. We were there for about 5 minutes while she tried to sell us something that we didn't particularly want. And that's one of the things about Kings Avenue Mall. They do try and draw you in and try and sell you something at inflated prices. That particular case, it was some face cream, and she was insistent that we should try it, even though we weren't really interested. It can be a bit pushy, but basically you just got to wave them away and carry on, unless you're interested, of course. But as I say, it is inflated prices, a lot of it. Zara, that's quite a big brand. You can see that when you walk up to Kings Mall. That and Jumbo, the superstore. But I think that's got its own dedicated entrance. I'm not going to cover it in this video. Not sure that is there, but it's quite good. Marks and Spencer's there. So that's us walking around it. As I say, it's not the biggest shopping centre, but it's got pretty much everything you'd need, I'd say, for a little walk. And it's quite easy to get to from all the hotels. You can either get a bus or a cab, or sometimes if you're close by enough, you can actually just walk back, which is what we're going to do now. So we're going to walk from the Kings Mall down to the Atlantica Mare Hotel. But that'll be coming up in the next video. I just thought I'd do a little tour around Kings Avenue Mall, if anybody wants to visit. Quite easy to get through from the old town, and also from Cato Paphos, which is the sort of the sea area, it's beachfront. But as I say, we're going to walk back now. So as always, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. It all helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.